Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best epoxies for cast iron that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the JB Weld 8267 Steel Stick, Steel Reinforced Epoxy Putty Stick. This budget-friendly option is a hand-mixable, 2-part epoxy putty stick that's reinforced with steel for enhanced durability. It's also non-rusting and NSF certified, making it safe for potable water applications. With a set time of just 5 minutes and a full cure in 1 hour, it's perfect for quick repairs. Plus, its lap shear strength of 900 psi makes it strong enough for most household and light industrial applications. In terms of design, the steel stick comes in a convenient stick form, allowing you to knead the two components together by hand. Once mixed, it can be molded, shaped, sanded, drilled, and tapped, making it a versatile option for surface applications like iron, stainless steel, copper, and even plastic. However, it's worth noting that this product is best for smaller scale fixes due to its moderate strength and temperature resistance of up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit continuous. For the price, it's hard to beat the value here. While it may not be the most heavy-duty epoxy on this list, it's an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts looking for an affordable solution for quick and easy repairs. The only downside is that it may not hold up as well in high-stress or high-temperature environments compared to other options. At number 4, we have the JB Weld 8277 Water Weld Epoxy Putty Stick, a specialized epoxy that can cure underwater. This makes it a go-to option for plumbing, marine repairs, and other applications where moisture is an issue. With a lap shear strength of 1300 psi, it offers a significant upgrade in durability compared to the steel stick. It sets in 25 minutes and cures in just 1 hour, making it a reliable choice for medium-speed repairs. The Water Weld features a hand-kneadable design similar to the steel stick, but its off-white color and water resistance set it apart. It's compatible with a wide range of materials, including iron, stainless steel, fiberglass, and PVC, making it a versatile option for both wet and dry environments. Its ability to bond underwater makes it particularly useful for pool and spa repairs, as well as fixing leaking pipes. While it's slightly more expensive than our number 5 pick, the added strength and underwater curing capability make it worth the extra cost. However, it may not be the best choice for high-temperature applications, as it only withstands up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit continuously. Overall, if you need a reliable epoxy for water-related repairs, the Water Weld is a fantastic option. Coming in at number 3 is the JB Weld 6-Minute Set Epoxy Quick Weld. This product is designed for those who need a fast-setting solution without compromising on strength. With a tensile strength of 3,127 psi and a set time of just 6 minutes, it's perfect for time-sensitive repairs. The curing process takes about 4 to 6 hours, and once fully set, it creates a strong, durable bond that's both waterproof and resistant to various chemicals. The Quick Weld comes in a convenient syringe design, allowing for precise one-to-one mixing. This eliminates the guesswork and ensures consistent results every time. It's great for a wide range of surfaces, including metal, wood, fiberglass, ceramic, and concrete. Whether you're working on household repairs, automotive fixes, or craft projects, this epoxy delivers reliable performance. While it's priced on the higher end, the quick set time and high strength make it a valuable addition to your toolkit. The only downside is that its shorter working time requires you to act quickly, which might be a challenge for beginners. But if you're looking for a fast and effective epoxy, the Quick Weld is a solid choice. At number 2, we have the Metal Glue by PrickMe, a heavy-duty epoxy that stands out through its exceptional versatility and strength. With a curing strength of up to 4,680 psi and a temperature resistance range of -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 548 degrees Fahrenheit, this epoxy can handle even the most demanding applications. It's compatible with a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, wood, and ceramics. making it a versatile choice for everything from automotive repairs to woodworking projects. The epoxy comes in a 1.76-ounce container with a reusable cap, ensuring minimal waste. Its mayonnaise-like consistency makes it easy to apply, and the fixed 1-to-1 mixing ratio eliminates guesswork. It sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours, providing a balance between quick application and long-lasting durability. Once cured, it can be sanded, drilled, and painted, allowing for a seamless finish. Priced at $9.99, this product offers excellent value for its performance. The only drawback is its slightly shorter working time, which requires you to work promptly. However, its robust strength and wide-ranging applications make it a top contender for heavy-duty projects. Finally, at number 1, we have the JB Weld Original Steel Reinforced Epoxy Syringe. This premium option lives up to its reputation as the world's strongest bond. With an impressive tensile strength of 5,020 psi and temperature resistance up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, this epoxy is designed for the toughest jobs. It sets in 4 to 6 hours and fully cures in 15 hours, forming a permanent bond that's both durable and versatile. The syringe design ensures precise mixing with a 1-to-1 ratio, and the resealable cap prevents the product from drying out, allowing for multiple uses. This high-strength epoxy works on a variety of materials, including metal, brick, and more. It's ideal for household repairs, automotive fixes, plumbing, and even marine applications. Once cured, it can be shaped, tapped, filed, sanded, and drilled, making it a highly adaptable solution for complex repairs. While it's the most expensive option on this list at $11.60, the exceptional durability and versatility justify the price. If you're looking for a top-tier epoxy that can handle heavy-duty repairs and high-stress environments, the JB Weld Original Steel Reinforced Epoxy Syringe is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.